Maytime. I'm Donna Maria, Miss Maypole, and we're having a wonderful time here at this Punch and Judy festival. As you can see, spring has sprung, the blossoms are out, and this in England means that Maytime has arrived. It apparently began where villagers used to dance around a tree. They didn't even have a maypole. And to celebrate the sun coming, the flowers, and everything coming alive. And the ballet master was from London in Covent Garden. The actual ribbons was added by a ballet master. And later, the ribbons were added, and that is the dance that you see in London today.
My name is Randolph, the remarkable fire eater extraordinaire, and I'm an extraordinary fire eater. Over 20 years I've been coming here, doing the show, and making people laugh and happy.
Hi, I'm Maggie Pinhon and I'm the director of the Covent Garden Mayfair and Puppet Festival, a special event that happens every year here in Covent Garden in London to celebrate the first sighting of Mr. Punch in England by Samuel Pepys, recorded in his diary of May 1662. This is 351 years ago, and we always celebrate this event every second Sunday in May right here in Covent Garden.
Welcome to Professor John Thursby's Punch and Judy show. Are you having a good day?
My name is Professor John Thursby, and I'm a second generation Punch and Judy man. My dad was a Punch and Judy man, and I've been doing it since I was 5 years old. It's a traditional show, so it does all the things you're not supposed to do.
351 years ago, Mr. Punch first appeared just around the corner, and Mr. Samuel Pepys, who was a very good diarist, he wrote a diary about it and said, I've just seen Punch and Judy. So every year after that, we've been celebrating.
So he had a girlfriend called Pretty Polly,
Here we go.
who was a rod puppet.
I brought my young son today to come and experience the show and experience the Punch and Judy shows. I think it's really good because it's kind of it's bringing in tradition and it's kind of introducing young people of today's age to things from the past, like entertainment for young children from the past.
Did he do it?
I love Punch and Judy. I love Punch and Judy.
I'm Esther and I make these puppets. They're called puppet pets, and we've got all sorts of animals that I make at home. I make these puppets at home, and then someone said to me, come to the puppet fair and see how your puppets sell.
I think it's very good because it's educating and teaching young children about how to have fun without computers and how to have fun without video games. And I think it's nice because it's interactive and it's lots of colour and it's outside as well.
Yes, it's really good. There's lots of people around, lots of Punch and Judys around, children around to play with as well. So it's very well organised and very busy.
It's the Punch and Judy Mayfair at Covent Garden. Hooray!
No, boy.